Coming up in this Brightline video, I look at trains on the Orlando line. Brightline's new Orlando line runs from the station at Orlando International Airport to where it joins into the Florida East Coast Railway corridor in Cocoa. We'll start just east of the State Road 417 bridge on the Orlando end of the line. First up here is bright green headed east. It is slowing down here as it awaits the next westbound train to clear CP Orlando West in the distance from the single track onto the double track. Here you can see that westbound train, the Orlando wrap, passing through the turnout here, and bright green begin to speed up again headed east. I've sped this portion up to 3 times the actual speed. And back to regular speed. We'll head a few miles east to near Innovation Way and Monument Parkway. Here's the Orlando wrap once again headed west. I'll once again speed things up to show the meeting of the trains at CP Orlando West. Once the westbound passes the stopped eastbound, the eastbound's headlights come on and it starts slowly moving forward as the dispatcher lines the turnout for the move. And here's that eastbound up close and back at actual speed. It is once again bright green. Longtime viewers may recognize this location as being where the temporary interchange to the OUC CSX Stanton rail line was located. That interchange was removed following the end of construction, although small portions remain as sidings for each line. We'll continue working east with the next stop at Dallas Boulevard. Bright green is once again the train, although this time it is headed west. It is crossing over the Econ-Lockhatchee River here. Bright pink makes an appearance for the eastbound here. Our next stop is at the State Road 528, Interstate 95 interchange in Cocoa. The Kissimmee Wrap is my train here as it heads east. It is crossing over Pine Street here. And now over Interstate 95. And finally through the Cocoa Arch Panel Tunnel. The Cocoa Box Track Tunnel is my final stop. We'll start with bright green headed east. It is coming up the ramp to cross over Industry Road here. And here's the tunnel. crossing over the Michigan Avenue crossing, and it passes through CP Cocoa and onto the Florida East Coast Railway's rails for the rest of its journey to Miami. We'll finish up here with the westbound Discover the Palm Beaches wrap. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like button and subscribe. Also check out my social media pages.